Welcome to Software Design. Today we'll be teaching how to achieve a simple trick like this. I want to teach you how this shadow came about like this. So, okay, open. Let's go to a new page, Control New. Let's open and then create a rectangle like this. Readjust it to this point. Then use your shape to press command control. Adjust it like this. Use this node, shift it to this point, then use your ruler, come here, no, straighten it, one touch, one, then join it together here to achieve that little brace. Then from here readjust it, then give this a color, let's say green. Then using your interactive view to readjust, then give it a lighter shade of color. Let's turn it like this. Then from here you can also use the same trick here by saying you can use here and then say you copy properties. Yes. Then from here press control page down for it to go down, to go behind it. Let's make the shadow now. Then make a rectangle like this. Give it a color black. Go to transparency tool. Use the transparency. Use the circular part. This one, ellipse part. Drag it down. When you come closer, you see. Then readjust. From here, click this one. Carry it behind. Click the next one. Carry it close. Let's readjust it. Let's see. This is the first part. Carry it in like this. Readjust, click. Then this part here. Close it. This one. Bring it in a bit. Then we'll take it this way. This is the best way for us to achieve that. Then drag it in like this. Then from here, I think this one. Let's leave it at 100 and let's reduce this one to none. This one to none. Yes. I think this is better. This is better off. This is better off. Then as it is here, then you can now create a shape like this. Then you can cut it off. Let me say adjust it like this. Come here, give it that color. Then click shift and hold this particular part. Then you can create an interactive. Look at, you say trim. So you trim that part and then delete. Then you have one-sided. Then come and then readjust it. Readjust it like this. Then right click from here, click order, send back to page. It is behind now. So from this clip here, then readjust it to suit in line with this, and then send to back as well. Send the order to back page. Then you can see a quick alignment. Then select or remove the default outline by pressing F12. None. Then click on OK. As you can see, you have achieved this effect. Then you can write your text here. Your text here. And then readjust it. Sorry. Readjust your text here. and change its color to any color you want. Then subscribe for more updates. Thank you.